Hello, students. Welcome back. How are you? Take 3 breaths. In with the good, out with the bad. Where are you on the compass? Ignite. Think to self. If you had a choice, would you rather have pizza or fried rice? Let's say you are in an after-school group and food is needed. The group will sometimes put it to a vote. This way you get to say what you think. Suffrage equals voting. Vote. Your voice matters. Think to self. When you vote, are you saying your opinion? Chunk. We will use the same assessment from the beginning of the quarter, so you will be familiar with it. Just read it today or read along with the video linked inside. Click on 7Q3 post-assessment stalker. Chew on it. Think about it or start answering questions if you choose. And review will be Wednesday, the questions. Thank you.